So we have question number 1.7. A solution is obtained by mixing 300 gram of 25% solution and 400 gram of 40% solution by mass. Calculate the mass percent of the resulting solution. So let's get an idea that how we are going to solve this question and what this question is asking, and then we will solve that in a board exam perspective, that how you can write it in your answer sheet, right? So what is asked said here, that there is a solution A and we have solution B, two solutions. One solution is 25% by mass by mass, and the second is 40% mass by mass. What it means 40% mass by mass and 25% mass by mass? It means that in 100 gram of solution, 25 gram is solvent, right? And here 40% mass by mass means 40 gram of solution, solute here, sorry, solute, 40 gram of solute in 100 gram of solution, we have 40 gram of solute. Okay, so this is the thing. And what is going to happen here is we are going to mix it and going to make a new solution, that is C, and you have to calculate the mass percent of what is the mass percent that is going for the C solution, right? So how we are going to calculate that? Simple. Here we are going to, what we are going to do is the mass of your mass of solute A plus mass of solute B from B component by mass of solution, mass of your total solution, that is mass by mass percent is mass of solute by mass of solution, right? So the mass of total mass, we have total mass of solution 1 plus total mass of solution 2, that is solution 1 mass, total mass of solution 1 plus total mass of solution B, solution A and solution B, right? So that is going to be total mass that we are going to get at last, right? So this is the thing. And how you're going to get this? This is simple. This is 100 plus 100, right? And mass of solute A is 25 and mass of solute B is 40 gram, right? Simple. So once you do that, you are going to get to your answer, right? So now how you can write this in answer in a proper answer format is, first of all you have to write, given that question number 1.7, given that your mass of first solution is equal to your 300 gram and mass of second solution is equal to 400 gram. Simple. And concentration that is given is mass by mass percent is 25%, and for this mass by for second solution it is 40% mass by mass. Okay, now we are going to do is to calculate mass of solute in each solution. So calculate mass of solute in each solution, right? Mass of solute in each solution, how are you going to calculate it? Is for 25% solution, what we are going to do is mass of solute is equal to 25 by 100 into 300 is equal to 75 gram. This is the mass of your first solution into the concentration mass by mass percent. So you're going to get the mass of solute in first solution. Then for similarly for 40% solution. For 40% solution, what you have to do? Same, mass of solute is equal to 40 by 100 into 400, that is 160 gram, right? Simple. And now you have to calculate total mass of the solute. Total mass of solute and solution, dono we have to calculate, right? So that we can use in formula. Simple. Now we are going to calculate the total mass. Total mass of solute is equal to 75 plus 160, that is going to be 235 gram, and total mass of solution, that is going to be 300, that is given 300 and 400 plus 400, right? So that is 700, because we have to ultimately go to the formula, that is mass of solute by mass of solution into 100, right? So for that we are going to go doing this. Now we have mass percent of the resulting solution. Calculating mass percent of resulting solution, that is mass percent is equal to mass, total mass of solute by total mass of solution into 100, right? And now you have to just put the data for all this we have calculated, and that is simply 33.75%. Simple. And that is the final answer that you are going to get, that is mass by mass percent. Okay, so now you can see the whole answer that is given here.